And I want to congratulate the people of Uganda because this has been a joint effort. And I want to congratulate my party. And I want to congratulate my brother Nalukoola for standing up to lead us in this great battle where Ugandans, through a great resistance, have defeated the forces, the rigging forces. Maybe this is what we have not been doing in other elections, where we have been rigged out. Now we start a new chapter that we shall go after our victory, whatever it costs. So the protest vote has started in the earnest, and we are not stopping here. As our president said, this is only the beginning. We want to request Ugandans everywhere to get prepared for this great battle to liberate our country. So we have another new MP in Parliament. This is a great relief. It itself is energizing to the forces, and I want to believe that in 2026, God willing, we shall defeat the forces that have been rigging the victory of Ugandans. Today I had the opportunity to revise the scores of our president in the last election, that is Honorable Kyagulanyi. And I want to tell you Ugandans that Mr. Museveni has been at this for so long, but everything has an end. Today I saw the Electoral Commission putting their hands up, saying that we have been defeated. And to me, the 17,000 votes is what has remained after they had rigged. They rigged and rigged and rigged until they could not rig anymore. So congratulations, my brother Nalukoola. The journey has just started, but I know we shall measure up to the call. Thank you. Kana kalulu kabadde kakive. Naye era n'obulala bonna bwe bubadde. Kye tukoze wano e Kawempe, oba oliawo kye tubadde tetukola awalala. Nti abantu bonna nga batutandikira ku balonzi bennyini ne beewaayo ne bagamba nti kyonna omuwendo gwonna tujja gusasula, nammwe bannamawulire mugusasudde, n'abantu eyo wansi ndabye abakyala abakadde nga bayita ku mamba, buli omu n'asasula omuwendo, nti ne batuuka wano ne babba paka omutwalo gumu mu kasanvu we gubalemeddewo, n'endaba nga batandika okugamba nti bannange mulabye mutya, ebivudde mu kubba tebikyusiza muwanguzi, katumulangirire. Ndayira mu linnya lya Katonda tirugenda kuba olunaku lumu ate siwala abantu abo batule naffe balangirire pulezidenti w'eggwanga awangudde mu ngeri y'emu. Bannayuganda singa tunagenda na kino ekisinde kitandikiddwa olwaleero. Nolwekyo njozaayoza ab'e Kawempe mwebale, mutukubye omutwe omulungi nga tutandika olugendo luno olunene. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, weebale nnyo Honorable Nalukoola okutukulemberamu mu lutalo luno olunene. Njagala gamba bannayuganda nti yonna gye muli eyo mwetegeke, kubanga resistance y'abannansi okulwanyisa okubba okusalawo kwabwe etandise ate tegenda kuyimirira.
People power,
our power,
our power,
people power.
Bobi oye, Kyagulanyi oye, Nalukoola oye, Going oye. Now there are two things here. There is a proverb that says, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. The people of Kawempe, Honorable Nalukoola, the National Unity Platform has proved that when the going gets tough, they get going. And that should be a way forward. There's also a thing I will say, when you raise the barrier,